Get up, get down. Get up, get down.
OPPO surprised us all with the launch of its flagship device in a new series, the Reno. Reno not only offered the best of specs, but also it turned out to be the most beautiful smartphone of 2019. And now it's time for us to show you their latest smartphone from their popular Reno series, the OPPO Reno 2Z. The Reno 2Z carries on the legacy of great design and phenomenal cameras that we saw in the OPPO Reno, but at the same time making Reno series more accessible to the masses with its competitive pricing. Talking about the specs, OPPO Reno 2Z comes with a 6.53 inches AMOLED screen and has a 91.1% screen to body ratio thanks to the Panoramic Screen. It uses Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and comes with 8GB plus 256GB ROM, improving the speed and performance. Talking about the cameras, the Reno 2Z has a 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras with 119 degrees wide angle lens, ultra steady mode, portrait mode, and a 16 megapixel rising selfie camera with atmosphere light that offers RGB LEDs with 12 colors to choose from. The device is powered by the 2.2 GHz Helio P90 octa-core processor and comes with ColorOS 6.1 based on Android 9.0. The device has a 4000 mAh battery and supports Whoop Flash Charge 3.0 and also has Fingerprint Unlock 3.0 for faster unlocking speed. The device also has Dolby Atmos high-res audio for audiophiles. In the box you get the OPPO Reno 2 handset, Type-C cable, SIM tray ejector tool, pre-applied screen protector, a premium protective case, warranty card and a quick start guide. The OPPO Reno 2Z comes in two colors, luminous black and sky white. It comes at a price of Rs 29,990. So do let us know how you like the device in the comment section below, or you can tweet to us at @theunbiasedblog. And also remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching the video. For those who haven't subscribed to us, please click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog.